this. Come to the Frauenfeld Bar.
Your buses, usually from D to A to B, all the stations are outside there. So you can see B and C. So you just come here and you look at the station, you look at the buses, you look at the number, and then you look at the station and you look at the time. When you got that, and you just go there and you get your bus. Everything is just so clear. And then you have also a bus route. Which shows you the bus stop. This is the Frauenfeld Bahnhof, and then it shows you all the routes everywhere. You can't get lost in Frauenfeld.
No, you can't get lost. If you have brain, you can't get lost.
Yeah.
This is true.
Yeah. They show this. So this is the main station. And then you have a map here which shows which trains you're leaving from. For example, if you want to go to 130, you see the different times you have. So, and it shows you what platforms you'll be leaving from. So it's everything is so self-clear. You know, you can tell what time you're leaving, what platform you're leaving from. So everything is okay. And yes, and then you see this is telling you information about trains which have come in place of another train. So for example, they're telling you Frauenfeld to Pertingen, this is the train coming at this time to that time, to 24th, 3rd, at 22 hours. So it's just really to check your connection on the online. Day ticket, that's a day ticket. So you buy it for 29 francs, and you get it with a discounts, 22 franken, and then as a child you get it for 14 franken, 14.50, and in a small group you pay for 58 franken.
Yeah.
Sorry. And then this is the place you can go to with the Tageskarte. So.
Hey Dave, can you please tell me what is this map and all this, please?
Oh, this is a map of Switzerland.
Yeah.
And you can see Lucerne, you see Zurich, you see Bern, Lucerne, you see Geneva, you see St. Gallen, and now we are here in Frauenfeld.
Yes.
So we will go. I wanted to go to Winterthur.
Yep.
So I'll just wait for the train there, and then I'll go there. Now, when you look at, you see, we have a train which goes from stops in different stations, but I'll take a train which goes to one station. So.
All right.
Yeah. And you see here you have the information. That's the place, so you can see. You can see the Switzerland. The map is spread out. You can see the different places you want to go to Geneva, Lucerne, Bern, Lucerne, Basel.
Hey Dave, my friend, you feel good tonight?
Yes.
So Dave, tell me what you want to do
I want
today.
to go to Winterthur.
Yes.
So I just press here.
Yep.
And then I'll look at the tariff. It costs €5, 5 francs 10, and I just have to choose it, and then it says I can buy it. So I will just buy it. Then from there I'll just wait for the train.
Yep.
Passengers in Suite S und B, Warteplatte